What if the secret to professional trading isn't a new strategy but an ancient philosophy? In 90 days, we'll rewire your mind. Becoming a pro is 20% strategy and 80% psychology. Buddha's principles will move you from gambling to disciplined execution. In Buddhist psychology, suffering comes from the three poisons. In trading, these same poisons are what empty your account. First is greed or tana. It's the craving for more over leveraging or staying in a win too long, fearing you'll never have enough. Then comes aversion, resistance to reality. This is when you refuse a stop loss, feeling attacked by the market instead of accepting data. Finally, delusion, the illusion of control. It ties your self worth to your balance, ignoring the market's inherent randomness. The antidote is right mindfulness or sati. It is the habit of being fully present with data without any personal judgment. Dedicate 10 minutes to meditation daily. Before every trade, ask, am I trading out of greed, aversion, or my rules? Next is upekka equanimity. This is non attachment to outcomes. A pro trader must detach their ego from every single trade. Treat every trade as just one data point in a series of 1,000. When you zoom out, a loss is no longer a personal threat. Accept that losses are the yin to the yang of gains. You cannot have one without the other in the natural flow of the market. Now, the 90-day roadmap, days 1 to 30, are about awareness. Implement a strict daily checklist and log every movement. Log trades by system compliance, not by profit. A good loss is one where you followed your rules perfectly. Reward the process. Days 31 to 60 are for mastering neutrality. Record the emotions you feel during the trade to identify your specific triggers. Use the stop loss breath. When hit, exhale the ego and inhale the discipline. Transform financial loss into a character win. Finally, days 61 to 90, integration and flow. Focus on quality over quantity. You are now observing the market objectively. You've reached samadhi concentration. The market's movement is now seen like the natural cycle of the tides, not a threat. Apply the Sigalovada principle to your capital. Two parts for investment, one for emergencies, and one for your living. Capital is a tool for work, like a plow. It is not a measure of who you are. Do not cling to it. Use it wisely. Walk the middle way. Don't be too fearful to enter, nor too reckless to risk it all. Balance is your key to longevity. After 90 days, you won't just have a better account balance, you'll have a trader's mind. Unshakable, disciplined, and at peace. Your journey begins with the first breath. Start your 90 days today. Follow the path to professional mastery. Subscribe for more insights on the trader's path. We'll see you in the market.